is. World
Yeah.
General. What's going
Yeah,
on, big
man.
boss? I'm good. Yourself?
Keep safe like Corona.
Yeah, you know how it goes already. So anybody that's not familiar, this is Pink Panther from formerly Black Cat, the 9-star general. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man. They got whatever. They got Caribbean easy. Just
Yeah.
rise up and up.
Yeah.
Big
How's it
things
treating
good.
you out there? How's it treating you out there?
Somebody go on the road, me just inside, I go on with a quarantine, as them say.
Yeah.
Me not bother go on the road if me not have to.
Yeah. Are you where? You're more country or you're more town right now?
Eh?
Are you more countryside or more town right now?
No, I'm in a countryside. Girl
Okay.
chest, I'm live.
Okay, so then I heard out there is more good more than town right now. Town is more, too many things are going on out there right now.
Yeah, man. Most cases down the side. 3 cases I'm find down the side. And,
Yeah.
but Jamaica alone, overall, Jamaica just 50 something case. I think 11 person get better already.
Yeah.
So it's not bad here.
Yeah. I hear you. You see right now, Panther sent on the Biltmore story.
Eh?
Right. Right now, okay, you see, because the funny thing with it, I just came on quick because generally every day I jump on live and we talk for about an hour with anybody. We talk about history and stuff like that. Then you just happen, I came on to tell everybody I'm not coming on today and you happen to show up. So let's talk. You have some time?
Yeah, talk a little, because I'm just not going to the gym, But you
Yeah,
can give a few minutes.
yeah. All right, yeah, because you have some Sound Clash fans here that really want to know the history of Panther. So give them a quick history here. Who Panther is and how you got into the business.
Well, from 89,
Mm-hmm.
officially,
Yeah.
89,
Mm-hmm.
professionally, I'm joining the business. I was before that, I do my thing, but
Yeah.
nothing serious.
Okay.
But 89, I know I'm going to get the big explosion about 90.
Yeah.
So that's when I really start. We should play a song named Russell back in Kingston when I
Yes.
was living in Seaview Garden.
Okay.
After Russell passed off, some giant Black Cat.
Yeah.
So officially out professionally 90.
Yeah. Okay. And
So
some people here said to ask you about what was your first clash in Biltmore?
my first class in Biltmore was King of These.
Okay.
Beat them to sickness.
Yeah.
I want to tell you that the first date I ever do in America.
Okay.
Like me go, when I just go up to do the tour.
Yeah.
Like that's the first show I ever do. I do one in Queens for Irish and Chin. When
Yeah.
I run a song in King Agale.
Yeah.
I do a little juggling thing for him like the Friday,
Mm-hmm.
and then I do the Biltmore clash the Saturday.
Got you.
Mm.
And what you
Yeah,
say?
man.
You
I
wrote
will
out
start. I
patterns.
will start Chin. I will turn Chin a promoter.
Okay.
Yeah, man. When me start tour, Chin them really get interested into them thing there. The first
Yeah.
big show him get was me and Jaro.
You and
Yeah.
Jar. That was when you guys were doing the tour.
First time China come out big in the promotion thing.
Yeah.
Irish and Chin.
Yeah.
First clash him get on me and Jaro.
Okay. And who won that clash there? And where was it?
Yeah?
Where was that clash and who won it?
I think it's Q Club,
Okay.
One of them club in the Queens.
Okay. Who won that?
I
You
think
are.
I'm in the winner clash, man. I beat them to sickness, man.
Yeah.
Chronicle in the name of the Lord, man. Mash it up, man.
Yeah. How did that truly
Them
even
time,
become so big?
them time I'm fresh and just bust and
Yeah.
when me I touch fire, I come like a big lad, man. Everybody want to take place or something.
Yeah. No,
Yes,
those
I
times,
say
those
really
times were big. Those times, you know what I mean? Big, big,
yeah,
big. Those
yeah,
times. Those times were big
yeah.
for the Sound Clash business. It was big those times back in the early '90s. You know what I mean?
No man, so them same love they keep we,
Yeah.
And them love that the people them keep we right now. Them they
Yeah.
will never forget me.
Yeah.
Anybody will build from them time there, have some die-hearted fans that you can't take from them.
Yeah. You understand?
Yeah,
You
you
know what I
can't
mean?
take them fans from them. Them
Yeah.
grow with you,
Yeah. What were some of your, outside of your world class trophies, what were some of your most memorable clashes? Give me 3 of them.
Why whole heap of clash me winning. I have 300 trophy in my yard. So,
Yeah.
like, all right, I win tag team. Tag team was a wicked clash.
Who was in tag team?
Me and Bass Odyssey against I think Matterhorn and somebody.
Where was that?
Win one I tag team, I lose one. Matterhorn win one and me they win one. In New York too.
Okay.
I'm win global clash like 3 times.
Yeah. Andrew Digital?
That's Andrew Digital in Brooklyn. Me dominate global clash over and over.
Yeah.
Because we should clash you care. Me we don't like a clash, but Mr. Talk the one where people know about.
Yeah. No, we like the one away clash where even it might be a small song, but it was a wicked dance.
Well, we have some nice one away clash and we win where not get much recognition, but them big like the first world clash in Jamaica.
Okay.
Where them put me in it was a place them wait a bit in Trelawney.
Yes, yes.
When I start a Matterhorn, Bass Odyssey, Kilimanjaro, Mighty Crown.
Okay.
Everybody a fight for second. Them say, take out Panther and win already. that's the venue them they try to put the world clash in when they just started in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That's the first venue they find. And then them realize that it's too near to Black Cat Town. So they move it and say it's bias.
Yeah.
I saw it reach out, then them go to a place them D-side with it.
Yeah.
Same far down in Trelawney side. Basically, they win that one. I wasn't in that one.
Okay.
Then it reached the mobile. Then Pier 1 was the third stop.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yeah, so it starts to wait a bit. Wait a bit of the first clash Irish and Chin keep in Jamaica.
Okay.
And me find out the venue. Me help them find out the venue. Because them come down here and ask me to help them find the venues.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was too easy for Black Cat. It's like it's Black Cat next door.
Yeah.
So they couldn't manage me this up. The part cover them on the bush, them rise up.
Yeah. Because I know a lot of the clashes that you've been in, a lot of times it's almost like they would be beating you 2 or 3 rounds straight. What was always your strength to bring you back and say, you know what, this is how I'm going to turn around the dance?
What my strength to bring me back in a clash to win the clash?
Yeah, like what's your strength that you actually use all the time to bring you back when you're all down 2-1, 3-1 and all those stuff? How do you actually win them back?
Because you have to have it's a clash, it's a package coming clash, you know.
Yeah.
It's not just pure song.
Yeah.
If you got vibes like everybody you turn around and kill them.
Yeah.
even all right, I can remember when one of the clash would go like that. The last world clash I did in Canada when I killed Mighty Crown. They were leading.
Yeah.
Remember? Me alone come to Canada.
Of course.
Me alone, I'm gonna treat the people them. You have to know you have to have them something in you.
Yeah.
It's not just songs.
Yeah.
No matter how much W one have that can't help. It's a package.
Yeah. You understand.
And that's really I can tell them that. You could advise Jesus and Michael Jackson combination. You're dead with it.
Mm-hmm.
You have to have the whole thing.
And that's where you find. So do you find that performance?
And that's how my talent come in. And that's how make me bad.
Yeah.
Cause me not grow up on enough songs. Cause we're like a poor sound.
Yeah.
We couldn't afford certain songs.
Yeah.
So I have to use my talent to help. 80% is my talent.
Yeah.
Cause we couldn't afford to cut all these songs where I run the place at the moment.
Yeah.
I have to play with my hand.
Yeah. And that's
definitely make good use of it.
Yeah. So would you say performance is almost more important than the songs? Would you say performance is more important than songs at times?
I want to say it's more important. It's 50-50.
Yeah.
Now you still have to have song.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm going to say it's more important. But some people feel like them if I have songs, them alright. They don't need nothing else.
Yeah.
I didn't work so. We see it over the ears and watch enough sound with a lot of songs. Them have everything what them need and them not winning a clash. Never win a clash.
Yeah.
Never. We're not a name, but you know that.
Yeah. Come on. Let's talk about your favorite, one of your actual biggest competitors all the time was Ricky Trooper. All right?
Yeah, Ricky Trooper, though, I have to give him my respect because he helped build me help build him.
Yeah.
Because if you notice, When nobody don't want to clash, we are clash Jaro. A Black Cat and Jaro go at it. Like we are clash like 5 times a week. They lock we out of the Sound System Association, so we're unruly. They take we out of Louis Fraser Bennett, no one sign we night.
Yeah.
Them time I stole up now play with we. Nobody don't want to end it. I just Black Cat and Jaro. So we build off of each other. We are clash, we are 6 nights a week with all both that's some country place a clash. If you look, but you can find 1 million Black Cat and Jaro CD. If you go, you know the difference of them.
Yeah, do you remember some of the classic ones where you clash? Okay, from when you were on, when he was on Jaro and then when he left the Trooper. Do you remember some of those classic clashes?
Which one?
When he was on Jaro, some when he was on Jaro, and the other ones when he left Jaro and went to Sound Trooper.
What do you say about that one?
Do you remember any of those clashes there in particular?
With like me and Sound Trooper?
Yeah.
Remember the one where we do with World Clash where Trooper win?
Yeah.
That's the first time I really book him in a big stage with Sound Trooper.
Okay.
We're really happy at that clash, you know. Honestly, you know, I'm not take nothing from Trooper.
Yeah.
I've been telling you before, him build me, me build him. What is happening at that clash? Me and Bass Odyssey, the actual lead. Trooper was at last in the clash. I climb up on that table. I was leading the clash now. I'm playing a Bush Band and I get so excited, get the big forward.
Okay.
I flip up on that table, kick up a Bass Odyssey turntable them. Something by accidentally, it wasn't for spite.
Yeah.
Anyway, them set up back quick. Don't ever break or nothing. Yeah. So when Bass Odyssey come in now, them start pressing on it and talk about it like it affect them. Ninja Man end up disqualifying me. He said, no man, I'm not supposed to put them foot up there. In one, we are ready. He take me out of the clash. Black Cat and Bass Odyssey have the same fan them.
Yeah.
We both have the same fan them. Well, the same fan them share for the 2 weeks, because we are from the same era actually.
Yeah.
The people them vex now and say you shouldn't make Panther come out because he never leave the spike.
Yeah.
So them end up vote out Bass Odyssey after them take out Black Cat. Then Trooper and Radigan alone left.
Yeah.
So the people say, okay, Bass Odyssey and Black Cat out, you better make Trooper get it. So our crowd go over and help Trooper and them kill Radigan. As any man know about that clash, they can remind them just so it go.
Yeah.
If we never come out, Trooper will win the clash. So immediately last, it'll be between me or Bass Odyssey.
Okay.
I mean, we are lead. But you still have to rate it because a win is a win.
That's true. And you've been through a lot of them.
When it comes to a win is a win. No matter how you win, me not try to find a fault, but she asked me, oh, was it? Me I get the whole detail like it.
Yeah. Yeah. Because even I know our next dinosaur, rest in peace, was Squingy. You guys used to do a lot of clashes, Squingy from Bass Odyssey. You remember any of the wicked clashes with you and Bass Odyssey with Squingy?
Yeah, man. We married him with him. Remember the night we beat them bad, a place named Royal Flat in Jamaica.
Okay.
In Mandeville. First time me and Squingy that bought meat.
Yeah.
I beat them to sickness, man. That's how Keith, all the owner, I take the soul. He used to play the soul to, you know, Keith, you know.
Yes, Keith Walford.
He take the soul from our Squingy when he see the beat and get wicked. He couldn't manage me.
Yeah.
Hands down, kill him dead. But Squingy beat me too. He beat me in a couple dance too. We both beat each other.
Yeah. Do you remember any dance in particular where Squingy definitely got the best of you?
Well, him definitely win me.
Yeah, where Squingy really got the best of you.
In one UK clash.
Yeah.
He beat me bad.
Yeah.
Him couldn't do nothing wrong that night there.
Okay.
One of the same Valor clash them. Hands down, he couldn't. Me try hard. No matter what I do, I couldn't get him.
Yeah.
It was just a film night like that.
Yeah.
A couple good nights anyway.
Yeah.
But the Fox RS time, we beat him a lot of time too.
Yeah.
So we both, it's vice versa.
Yeah.
And the next thing now we have to talk about too. Remember, me not tell a man to say, oh, brother, God bless him soul, him rest in peace. I'm a brother, I'm a brother. Everything, but where's that? She bring up the album and I talk about it. Me not tell a man to say, me, brother, him, brother, but Sound Clash Fraternity judge us after the World Clash titles.
Yeah.
That's the highest stage, that's the biggest stage we have as a selector.
Yeah.
World Clash to selector is like Sunfest to artists.
Yeah.
Squingy get about 4 or 5, me have 9.
Yeah.
Him get more opportunity than me to could go 9 and him never do it and me do it.
Okay.
Him does the World Clash before me, so him have more opportunity than me. Him do more than me. I'm not gonna remember something happened. What you gonna remember now?
Okay.
The 2 World Clash of Matterhorn got double in period 1. Remember him got double 2 years straight.
Yes.
A Squingy in beating him.
Okay.
And then the 3rd year was Road to Atoms. Remember that one everybody wants to win?
Yeah.
And me go stop Matterhorn, stop him that's all.
Yes.
And me go Atoms. Remember?
Yeah.
When Puma carry the whole of go Greece go play. Me and
yes.
And me, and that's some top Matterhorn. If Matterhorn win that, him a hat trick him come for the hat trick. Can they win 2 years straight down there? Them time they never want to put me in a World Clash. Him beat Squingy like 2 times. So him get enough opportunity more than me and me end up come win 9. Over 1 me win after him Squingy dead, you know.
Yeah.
My 8th title was when Squingy alive, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, the one that me win after him dead was Squingy Cup.
Got you.
Remember me have Squingy Cup too, you know. So the person need to remember the 4-time cup that we have. Me have a cup named Squingy Cup, but Bass Odyssey involved, you know.
Yeah.
So the cup can more important. Me not supposed to have a cup like that.
Yeah. I hear you.
Them name the dance of a Squingy deck because of, you know, we condolence and we try to do something for him.
Yeah.
Them name that World Clash definitely for Bass Odyssey that year.
Got you.
Them call it Squingy Cup. I don't know if you remember that last World Clash, 2010, 2011.
20, and this was New York?
Pier 1, 2010, 2011. Last World Clash I keep at Jamaica.
Yes.
No more than keep than that.
Yeah.
And me have a cup. I mean win. I mean kill Bass Odyssey night.
Yeah.
I mean have a Squingy Cup on the yard.
Yeah.
All the rest of them win. He was alive.
Yeah. Okay, so it was
all
only...
the rest of them win. He was alive. So we both get with chances. So me make use of my chance. So me can't tell a man to make use of him.
Yeah. So okay.
And me have the most world title ever. Nobody. No, me are the most decorated selector on earth.
Yeah.
With titles. Nobody can take that from me. That's on internet.
Yeah. Okay, so then what you're saying to me is out of all of the dinosaurs, you're the greatest dinosaurs out of them all?
Huh?
When it comes to the dinosaurs, you're telling me that you're the greatest dinosaurs out of all of them all?
I would call myself, for no bias sign of foolishness, me not give myself the greatest.
Okay.
Because I tell you before, them judges have a World Clash title.
Yeah.
Before that, the rest of Clash, them don't really account them.
Yeah.
Them never remember them really. When, alright, a World Clash draw the attention to the world to pay attention to the game.
Yeah.
We can't deny that. People was listening Clash, yes, but the whole universe, World Clash draw them attention.
Yeah.
So we have to judge it off a World Clash, and I may have the most. So what am I saying?
Yeah. All right. I could, from when we're looking at who put the most points on the board from a World Clash perspective, I get you 100%. You know what I mean?
If you ask a different country, all right. If you should ask a different country, where's a Clash fans?
Yeah.
Which Clash I remember about selectors like we? Them all probably can name the World Clash one of them.
Yeah.
You look at Bush one, them like I'm tell you some kill Bass around and wait a bit. They're not gonna remember them there. They don't know about them so good.
Yeah.
Them start pick up from the World Clash series. That's where them start check from.
Yeah.
It's not like you with Diati that you remember one dance and wait a bit and one down and watch it. them not really remember them. So you see point me I try to make.
Yeah, I 100% get you. 100%.
Yeah, so them a check off a world class series, a big stage in them. They will remember one global clash. They will remember one tag team. Them not go so far back and they can wait a bit. Them and the Saint Elizabeth, them and them.
Yeah.
They're not gonna remember all of that.
Yeah.
So we have to check it from the part where the world involved in that.
You're right. There's right now, I know Matterhorn and Trooper, they have 2 interviews going back and forth. Do you remember the dance that with King Addies versus Kilimanjaro 1995 in Jamaica?
Who?
Kilimanjaro, King Addies versus Jaro 1995 in Portmore Entertainment Center.
Okay, well, I'm telling you something now.
Okay.
I want to hold a separate instrument, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know, a little bit of instrument, you know.
Yeah.
King Addies, when them Troop and King Addies thing when them a fight over who kill that. And me kill King Addies the most and kill him in New York. Almost told him kill King Addies in New York.
Yeah. True.
I have a new title, I go back and kill him like a couple months ago. I renew the title again. Black Cat put on like for 5 years. I mean just take up my back and kill back Addies again.
Yeah. In
New York, almost let her do that.
Yeah.
Addies is not easy to kill in New York.
No way.
No need to tell a man that.
Yeah.
The last kill Babyface get and kill him in Brooklyn in left his town the next week.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
I try one night, Addies kill me when me remember. It's in a Q club one night. He get the best of me that night.
Yeah.
All I kill Addies like 6 times in New York, in America. So that class important to me. No man not talk about them, they must dep on the Portmore clash alone,
Yeah.
Them the clash that stand out more when you kill Addies in New York City.
Yeah.
The last kill Addies a couple months ago, you know, Black Cat King Addies, you know.
I remember.
Just what they may tell about, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
All badness involved, if not for MC, the coward didn't run left on the stage.
Yeah.
Because the man of said, you can't have contact on King Addies. Yes, sir, again.
Yeah.
But nothing couldn't deny it because he can't, he must start a truth. He couldn't try to do nothing. He talk after the interview. So, the man if remember and talk them thing there.
Yeah.
No one some man named almost son kill King Addies and you know.
Yeah. That's what you want to know. So you remember with that whole series when they were down in 94, 95 and they were killing everything. Did you and Addies actually clash in Jamaica right before the Jaro clash?
Yeah, Addies.
Yeah. In Jamaica before the Jaro clash.
Me Addies never clashed at Jamaica yet. We have one dance on the past. We played Black River one time, where Ethan is from, St. Elizabeth time. But it never was a clash. It was a show, and the two was ended up to be on the same show. Okay. But it wasn't a serious put out say Addies and Black Cat got a clash. It was not like that.
Yeah.
We threw a little what kind of we are worried, that was miserable.
Yeah.
But we never the full head on clash not go on.
Yeah.
All of them really clash with King Addies is in America.
Yeah. Okay. So
from Washington DC, from Washington DC, Boston, straight back to New York. And them clash that me do with Addies.
Yeah. I got a question from the audience coming from Mr. Presto here. Do you think Black Cat gets the respect that they deserve?
Huh?
I got a question from the audience from Mr. Presto. He's asking, do you think Black Cat gets the respect that they deserve?
I feel them all back a little. Black Cat deserve enough more.
Yeah.
Enough more. Them don't talk about the great work we put in. Enough, them hide enough things that we do. Honestly, them hide enough things.
Yeah.
Because enough things that we do when I hear people, them talk about the sound clash thing, I watch them all a while for them live or them something.
Okay.
And them not giving real justice to who forget it sometime.
Yeah. So who do you think you're missing?
80% I selected them. 80% I selected them do that something, them not put in the work a Pink Panther put in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of work I put in, my DJ. Whole heap of work.
Listen, we know this from, we're talking about from 91 to, no, from 90. I know Panther got the bus from 93. Yeah.
Trooper put in a lot of work. Ricky Trooper, a lot of work.
Yeah.
Remember, we have 5 dinosaurs, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the people them run queers from after. I know we tell them minutes and them somehow them make up that.
Yeah.
Matterhorn, Firelings, Panther, Trooper, Squingy.
Yeah.
Out of the 5 dinosaurs, Matterhorn and Lynx to me do the least work in the clash industry. They contribute the less.
Who? Say that again. Who contribute the less?
Matterhorn and Firelings contribute the less to clash industry. When none of them now clash, when everybody start, when them gone juggle, me and Trooper them and basically in one place, I hold up the clash thing all about. So no can be a foreigner, still I get some clash CD.
Yeah.
Remember Matterhorn them never deep in a clash, you know.
Yeah.
Matterhorn them come juggling thing, but Trim can do it because I'm talented. No one then we take a clash. We don't come out a clash. We never have clash yet.
Yeah.
When me a boss in the car book for the juggling dance, you know, me not come juggle, so I just keep the clash and done.
Yeah.
Clashing on my blood. Me not press. Me never take a break yet. The one time I take a break, everybody I wonder what.
Yeah.
So
clash is your thing.
They don't put in the amount of work we put in, honestly.
Yeah.
That last time is that a dinosaur.
Yeah. Got you. When it comes to thing there, I see some people asking about bodyguard. What about some bodyguard black cat dances? What about those there?
Yeah, so, yes, about bodyguard, right?
Yeah.
Them put in a couple of work back in the days when we are come out to. But here I go on now.
Okay.
The team they mash up before Links does. Me not get to do no whole heap of clash with bodyguard with Firelings before before them go apart. So me not have much history from the Firelings Johnny thing.
Yeah.
We clash a couple of times, you know, but I don't know whole heap to talk about like me and Jara can, me and Bass Odyssey can talk about.
Yeah.
Turbo Sonic is the next song with that Pia Juice them time ago. Turbo Sonic them name?
Yeah, with Winterfresh.
Eh?
With Winterfresh. He was turbophonic.
Hello?
Yeah, I hear you. You're here. Panther.
Yo.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, man, Turbophonic is what I saw where the day on the back of field with Winterfresh. At that time there. Pieces was one of them.
Yes.
The car was Pieces.
Yeah. Yes. You remember any bad clashes with them?
Be with Pieces.
Yeah.
Big up Striker and Fraggy them.
Yeah.
But you think low, I'm not hearing you know.
I hear you. You hear me now? Let me turn it up a bit.
No, you
hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember, didn't they have somebody else named Corey was around the sound there too?
Huh?
Corey was on PCs. I think it was Corey Striker and Corey Striker and Frank. Corey, wasn't a man named Corey around PCs too?
Yeah, Corey was on our original youth. He was one of the founder too.
Yeah.
Corey, Striker, Fraggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, three of them. I feel big them up.
Yeah, and some people are asking about.
They be up on the back of field in them war time that we do too.
Yeah. Okay, ask him what went on with Black Cat and Stone Love. That's coming from Master Jeff. What happened with you and Stone Love?
Yeah.
You don't have headphones? Plug in some headphones if you have them.
We say a man say Exodus nuclear.
Yeah.
The fight like a back with them, but not much. Not much history there.
Yeah.
One time they did run in and kill him. Red market night.
Yeah.
Mash him up like a drunk. But
yeah.
Almost it's him. Exodus nuclear, not really. He did that thing in that time was a bigger Exodus.
Yeah. How about 4x4?
Way back. Jar Black Cat, Jar Pieces, Jar Bass Odyssey, Black Cat Turbo Funny, Black Cat 4x4.
Yeah. How about those wicked 4x4 dances?
Canon.
Yes.
Remember the whole lot of people who fight about it, you know?
Yeah. No, crazy. And now we're in 2020. What do you think about the clash scene right now in 2020?
Everybody
in the room, big up yourself. You can hear me now, Panther?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What I was asking you now before we got cut off, we're in 2020 right now. What do you think about the sound clashes in 2020 opposed to back then?
No, man, back then was more fun, man. No
Yeah.
doubt about that. Enough
Yeah.
more fun.
Yeah.
The new generation I do them thing. Respect to every youth to do them thing and keep it game. Because we want to keep the sound class culture alive, you know.
Yeah.
Some of them want to bash nothing to make it look like we're mash up it.
Yeah.
That's something I love and my passion this.
Mm-hmm.
But back in the days, it definitely was more fun.
Yeah.
Right. All right. What take the fun out of it is the edit clash them. To me, too much edit clash that keep now, man. You can't say your mind again. It'll take away the talent from you. It'll take away your real talent. But if you know what me tell you say, but if you know what me say, it take away little thing from the clash, my lad. And the youth them will do it fault, you know. And the system fault, because them set it so. So you can't blame the youth, them will just rise. And not them set it because so the system, well, you can't say this or you can't say that. That's why Guineas them a call me and certain come, me top to them clash there. Them been calling me for weeks and months.
Okay.
When I do them, I can't with it. I want to be myself in one clash.
Yeah.
I want to hear Pink Panther. I don't want to hear Panther edit.
Mm-hmm. You want to hear the real thing? Because I think in one of the UKs, it was one of the world clashes where you swore. And then that's how you lost the clash. I think you were actually leading the clash most of the night. And you swore or did something. And that's how you got knocked out of the clash. I remember when you think there. I remember when you were in one of the world clash, you swore. And I think that's what made you actually lose the world clash that year.
Which year, lad?
I don't remember. It wasn't our UK.
Yeah, man, we lose a clash like that in England because of the same thing.
Yes. You know
One something say, what I never say, and then take me out because of that, and I win the clash. That's why I mean I like it. It'll take away the thing from the game.
Yeah.
It'll take away the thing. The kids now go a clash, my lad. It's an adult sport.
Yeah.
It's an adult sport. Why don't make it go the same way? That's why it's not nice again, like, and them come with too much rules, them thing. Too much rules that mash up the game. Someone want to go back natural. You want to go back natural. And my point of view, you want to go back natural.
Yeah.
Say you want to say, play what you want to play.
Yeah. If you could put together a clash right now, who would you want to clash, even if you're not playing right now? Who would be the ultimate clash for Panther right now?
They know, say, if rules never, if them any clash never come in, enough selector will win one clash.
Yeah.
Rules help a lot of them, you know. They not have enough song, they can't perform. So when the rules them come in now, it cuts short on the man that we have the talent.
Yeah.
So it's easy if one man slip through a gate. The rules is a mess up thing. That's why, but that's why I don't blame you. The rules them cast. He's a lucky man, yo. You want to go, you know, he's a lucky man today. I don't really sit there, I'm a social media person, you know.
I know this.
Yeah, me done the social media. I never know if you use phone.
Yeah.
So, me don't know you're lucky, so. You know, long someone I try to get me to do interview, I'm not doing none. They must say, Panther, do one live clash, no man. I say everybody I do live. I say, me know live. I don't style that. Me don't want a live clash. Me can't do it. I have to be myself.
So what do you think about the live clashes keeping right, about the online classes right now?
What's your thought? If I don't wait for all of them things and make the fun continue because we are quarantine, I don't have a problem with it, but me just not feel it for myself.
Yeah.
People call me about it a lot. I mean, I don't feel more and do nothing. Me enjoy watch it though, because it's something I love. I love clash, so me watch it. I think I do nothing.
Okay, so let's do this then, because I got a lot of questions in here. You got a couple more minutes? We're going to take some questions from the audience, because they got a lot of questions here. The first one I see here, if you guys, from the audience, I'm going to ask you some questions. The people are asking some questions. I'm going to read them to you here. The first one I see here, if you guys have any more, put them in. The first one I see here is, were you in the studio when Yunzi recorded the Black Cat anthem with Chronicles?
I mean, make it. I'm not being there, make it.
Yeah.
Make a song.
Yeah.
That's the only song where Chronicle have right now where people know him of.
Yeah.
The name of the Lord. Chronicle come to give me the dub alone by himself.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, yo, Yunzi can't sing, you know. But Yunzi started.
Okay.
Yunzi not taking career serious. He just take it for a joke. But me know say he can't sing.
Yeah.
So me arranged and started. If you know say Yunzi will sing the song. He not sing the song like a Clash song, you know. He says she goes out. Our woman in my time. It's a love song. It's a love song. I'm telling you what I'm saying, you know.
Yeah.
Theme part is a love. It's a woman in my sing to, you know. And then Carol come here and say, they never feel that.
Yeah.
So I mean, but them time we not pre them something there. We just a mix song.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. But you know, say him can't sing. We do it, you know.
Mm-hmm. Nah, man.
Yeah,
That's
man.
big right there.
I mean,
I
make
don't
it,
even.
man.
Yeah.
All right, that song, that's never get enough respect. That song never get an airplay yet, and that everybody in a class industry know that song.
Yeah, of course.
I said that song on the radio.
Yeah.
And that song make Chronicle.
Yeah.
No matter how much song you want, blah, singing. And the name of it laugh, like we know say somebody named Chronicle.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Why did you even think to put that together?
It just carries, you know, something never, I know something planned.
Yeah.
Chronicle was there, alright. Chronicle was a part of Black Cat before me, you know.
Yeah.
When me join Black Cat, Black Cat comes to Chronicle and Prince June and them down there. I took candy there.
Yeah.
Cause them was building this sound as a DJ sound.
Got you.
Ninja man, them want to down there.
Yeah.
So when me join the team now, I come see them down there, I go down there. And me brought the sound, me join it in time for when time everything had changed out back to select and love play.
Yeah.
So I meet him down there. I hear him sing songs, I'm telling you the one I want and dub.
Yeah.
And then me know say Yunzi there, me and Yunzi apart, I know him can sing.
Yeah.
So it just come for me the day, say, yo, why not do a combination? I'm start using every class to the other anthem.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Why you give me respect? Almost selector maker every song, most of every dinosaur have an anthem, right?
Yeah.
Bass Odyssey have one, Matterhorn have one, Body Girl have one, but none of them have no young artist anthem. I mean, me turn the young artist in the anthem. Because Chronicle was a young artist at that time, Yunzi is still an artist. Yunzi is a selector. I'm telling you our anthem. Most of the man have anthem are Bujo anthem, Sizzler anthem, pay big names.
Yeah.
So it's a great thing that me do. I check the whole anthem what the man have, you know. I pay names. Them have.
Yeah.
I make the only one who have a no name anthem. Like not saying no name, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know, professional big artists. I'm a selector doing song and Chronicle will never really get the bus.
Yeah.
So that's a plus again. You have to brave to do them thing there. You have to brave. Them tell everybody want to play the big artists them. That's one next thing on me, I have enough selector. I'm brave and the whole of them.
Yeah.
Them not take a chance of me taking a music. If I'm a Panther beanie, they don't feel like they can go to the clash. Me voice a madman and go to the clash. I'm a business.
Yeah.
I don't want to say you want to stand on me like. No matter what you want name, I don't want to know your name.
Yeah.
Tell me your song, go.
All right, I got another question here. Which selector gave you the most trouble between Trooper and Squingy?
Which who?
Selector gave you the most trouble in a clash between Trooper and Squingy.
All right. Honestly speaking, everybody have them flavor. Squingy give me like a trouble, Trooper. Why me like a Trooper the edge? Me and him clash more.
Yeah, got you.
Me have a bigger history Trooper. And
yeah.
Me never have the most of tune for play Jaro. Alright, so when I used to play Jaro, me have to fret because you see like a song when me have Trooper voice and play them all first round.
Yeah. Yeah.
Me have to fight so like a song, pitch up, and fight the backline come win the clash. Because Trooper still to see them and voice out every blood clot thing. And play them all. Before me reach that dance, me and the whole of Black Cat tune never play.
Yeah, yeah. I remember
and
there was
Trooper is a double, so me have to listen that him give me I say when me I play, I worry a little bit. Because me in the other studio where everybody when me have voice, you have them up a Jara studio.
Yeah.
Voice them out. So me have Me have to make some little sing. Me have to make juggling pan spot when I play Jaro. Cause my song then done in a one run.
Yeah. Yeah.
So him build me for me. I Superman me turn bad selector, you know. Turn me not wicked. Him turn me evil. Cause me have to think some evil thing out of the box. Cause my song then done.
Yeah. Trooper.
Yeah, so me always, that's why I say me give me actor Trooper. Squingy give me a lot of fight. Squingy dangerous pan sound.
Yeah.
But here very different with Squingy now. Me tell you something about, me gonna tell you one truth or one fact, so you need to know this.
Okay.
Me rate Squingy and everything, and God bless his soul, but Squingy, they have an easy life. Him get every song where he want. No, from me, grew up and play music, Bass Odyssey never out a new song. Every song come out, Bass Odyssey have it. I wasn't in that. Me never had that opportunity. I want the song then soon flop, me just get them. Me have to play what me have. Me never have that gold spoon there.
Got you.
Alright, to me, what I say to you now, me not feel Squingy could have played Black Cat and survive, you know. It's a tune strength in boss half.
Got you.
Bass Odyssey always have songs.
Yeah.
He couldn't survive one night from Black Cat.
Yeah. That's debatable still. That's something that you really put in my mind that I've never thought about before.
I'm not hear you again. I'm not hear you.
Somebody put in the comments, they said, who is the greatest song ever? And don't be biased.
You can't ask me, I can say that. I must Black Cat, I can say.
Yeah. That's what
me look like that to you.
Yeah.
I'm Black Cat, the greatest ever to play music.
Yeah. Okay. So then let's get serious now. Somebody else put in the comments.
Bad sounds. That don't say you have other bad sounds out there, but to me, Black Cat is the greatest ever come out in the Clash Royale.
Yeah. Okay. Somebody said sit closer to the Wi-Fi box so you could catch the Wi-Fi better.
Jamaica Wi-Fi load now. People are quarantined, so everybody live on internet.
You know this. Okay, and there's one serious one we got to get to here. Somebody said to ask you about Splice tune. Okay? Because at one time, people were saying Black Cat was playing the most Splice.
Hey, no, sir. Me never Splice. I play two fake tune couple times. I go back on the color. Every selector do it. I'm going to tell you something. Every selector do it. It's just that film won't never come out.
Yeah.
You know, then Jimmy Cliff argument there. You must understand how fake Jimmy Cliff never play.
Yeah.
All I will do it. So, you take that out of it. I see this video coming, I'm going to see Lenzo by voice. No man play with Splice, nobody know.
Yeah.
that me not only for Splice nothing. Because when I play the Guardians with them, they used to tell lies I tell you did. Guardians and Terry have two different voices. You can't know them separate.
Yeah.
So them tell some lie for me too. Whole heap of lie them tell for me too.
Yeah.
But I saw it going on when you're great, you know. You get like you know, say everything not go smooth. For you're great, you have to look out for them things. They might find a way if you try to break you. So me don't make it bother me.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Another one here is asking, how did you link with Terry Linen and make that link strong?
Eh?
The link with Terry Linen, how did you guys link up?
St. Elizabeth, me play one night, one place near Red Bank. And him can sing for his son, with a red foot, dirty barefoot boy.
Okay.
Can sing, say must sing. Say must sing and he want the mic.
Yeah.
I give him the mic, I hear the man sound like a goddess silk. He said, no, so where are you to come from? I say, yo, where the man? Come check me a man. I was going to studio like, I played only like a Sunday night.
Yeah.
I was going to studio to voice Buju Band on the Monday.
Yeah.
I say, come check me. 9 o'clock. A man, me a carry gas towel with me, go voice you. The man there crystal from 6 o'clock before the light out.
Yeah, okay.
I call me. Well, what voice me? So I man carry him go to studio with me. And carry him to Buju Band at the studio. I'm doing a song name. And you hold this mic in my head. And my voice is capital. My voice is Buju, you see him there. When I tell Buju for voice the song with him, Buju didn't wonder, wish you this man care for voice. Buju never really wanted to do the song.
Okay.
Same man do the song by himself.
Yeah.
I'm talk to Butcher and talk to Butcher. No man, I'm like a singer from country man, and I want to start this song to make it Butcher feel agree. From the Tagalog rhythm.
Got you.
And from the start, use the song, them and I clash them. Everybody I wonder where I find the youth from. The youth. He must have take off so. Then Anthony Rose called me one day. Anthony Rose was the man who got the first album from him and I bust him, you know.
Okay.
Anthony Rose produced that album if you never know. Hit album for terrorism. All big hit them and Anthony Rose get them. Him call me as a Panther, let me hear you play that clash them. When they, how old are you there? I'm gonna give me info and say, I must say more or less and work with him. And Anthony Rose, he give me an album. And this everything take off.
Okay.
So I mean bring Terrell in from scratch.
Yeah.
No response in his career. Chuck Fender is the same thing.
Yes.
But yeah, Chuck Fender, when no clash king of these, because the Chuck Fender New York, I'm student in Dan one studio.
Yes.
Everybody around there look for Sluggy, this, that, Michael Palmer, Ray. Me still look at you around there, a DJ and song. I say, I love your soul. Give me one song for Alice Clash. I said, I know, shut your mouth, tell black cat. Mash up and this up. Mr. I said, Chuck Fender, you need to go home.
Yeah.
Because he's American born, you know. Chuck Fender is American, he's American born. He must have Jamaican parents.
Okay, didn't know that. Yeah.
Yeah, so and me influences him come home. I say, go home.
Yeah.
Go do the music. You see you have talent.
Yeah.
And him come home, go link with Johnny's.
Yeah.
So I start all them people there. When elephant does arise, I me strengthen him.
Yeah.
Enough credit me forget, you know.
Yeah.
I carry Bunty now an old capri. Bunty killer, where you see boss, the big bad Bunty. Me Pink Panther. When Black Cat come for me for a CVO girl for complaining son. Me tell them say my voice on you to run CVO. If me not go play the sound. Them time that terrified plus him want voice and budge on them and I run place. And me say me have a set of youth that I CVO when me want for voice. That time Bunty killer name Bunty Hunter at that time. Me have proof. Me can play 9 Black Cat double say Bunty Hunter right now. So all them Matterhorn and Bass Odyssey the way I get the Bunty glory. Them not supposed to get it over me. Because they don't know Bunty Hunter, they know Bunty killer.
Got you.
I mean I prove they can't find a Bunty Hunter that play. Because they don't know him that time there.
Yeah.
Black Cat have 9 of them. Me have to cut back over copper shot. When me there fire and you say killer boss, me I wonder if I see him killer when me used to walk up and with.
Okay.
And them I say somebody want killer name get change, you know.
Yeah.
One artist wrote that East name Bunty Hunter, one like a Rasta man.
Got you.
And it caused a problem out of our studio one day when we carry Bunty Hunter for a voice dub plate.
Yeah.
And one man say, the man in back of Ratchet Power out there say, oh yeah, voice man and my artist name. One look at Rasta, the artist look at the name Bunty Hunter, have song already named Bunty Hunter. Yeah. I class one looking at that Louis Spears and Belly out there, the bun up man we make so. I said, splash it down. Yeah. Anyway, True Bunty they don't have the era name already. You never want to lose the whole Bunty. So then take off the Hunter and put on the killer. Just to keep the name.
Yeah.
Matterhorn and Links don't know nothing, not Links. Matterhorn and Bass Odyssey don't know nothing about them sitting there. The young man can't get a run down for that Fire Links. Because them tell you what with their Steve you. Me I play Ruster. Fire Links I play a song named Black Ark.
Okay.
I him alone know that something about Bunty Hunter. Matterhorn we get the glory. It depends on road say Matterhorn a killer face at that time.
Yeah.
Him come get the big glory. Bass Odyssey come spend some whole money with killer and get piece of the glory. And then drop it out of the glory. We start it.
Got you.
Drop it out of it and killer need to do an interview and talk about them sitting there.
Yeah. Okay, so if that's the case, get killer on live. We're ready right now. Me have proof. Me have a dub plate in my box. If Bass Odyssey play one dub plate for Bunty Hunter now, I give myself, give me sound. He can't play. He don't know nobody there stuff. Yeah.
A foreign Bunty come meet Matterhorn, you know.
Yeah.
When Bunty goes to that travel.
Yeah.
You go see him that play and he's a Matterhorn can't come home yet. How we say link make with Ethan. And Ethan make him so fascinated killer. That time killer already gone through the gate.
Yeah.
And two in their town and we their country now. And Ethan, the big link start making all the big money I spend now. Matterhorn got end up get the whole of glory as Bounty face at the time there. But no nothing for Bounty and we start out it.
Yeah.
Sky Juice was the only man to get one. One tune in dub for dub. Sky Juice get one when he Bounty Hunter. I start playing on the road. Even him get one of the glory too.
Look,
them the man that was have a Bounty face. 4x4.
Panther.
4x4.
Hold on.
4x4. Where you see the back of Bounty?
Panther, this live is gonna run out. No, hold on. This live is gonna run out. I'm gonna end it and we're gonna come back on right now. I have to end it right now. I'm coming back on right now.
Yeah, man, I'm a joke thing, man. I can't tell you the whole story, man.
We're coming. It's ending right now. I'm coming back on right now. You guys come back right now. Sorry about that. The live ran out because it just gives you an hour limit. So we're back. You remember where?
No, man.
Yeah. So finish the story there with Bass Odyssey then. You were giving us a Bounty and Bass Odyssey story and then the live had to cut out.
Bass Odyssey what?
You were giving us a story about Bass Odyssey and Bounty, but then the live cut out.
Oh, I tell you, say, them take up the Bounty thing, call them brand them as a soul, but the most Bounty. Them have a thing about most Bounty and this and that. Them have 4x4 have it.
Yeah.
But them, for them thing join with Bounty because of spending the money.
Got you.
Just gonna spend some bag of money, girl Bounty chuck for song.
Yeah.
Our thing built naturally from scratch, grassroots. The money that I spend, that's good link. We are from the same community.
Organic.
Me and Filings know about that.
Yeah.
Bounty Hunter, me I tell you about now. After Killer Rise and Bust, them join the team. So them need to talk about we were started.
Yeah.
When me I kill them with dub your mama, you know. Nobody don't know who me I play. You might want to which man that. When me I clash back with pieces, them and back at them, back in the days. Talk about love you, boy, go dub your mama, block your talent, yeah. A Bounty Hunter sing there, sitting there. Bounty Killer sing there, song there.
Yeah. That's crazy. So you definitely.
I'm trying to tell you, sir, where I'm coming from.
Yeah.
Can me get the go ahead. Bounty was 92. Me start get me select a highlight from 91, so come up 91, 90.
Yeah.
So as I start rise, so I start carry Killer with me as a era artist. I mean, no saying bad. Me start make force Black Cat for vice him because I know him like a boss.
Yeah.
Them time I mash up Seaview, but I just pay a Seaview show him in the community.
Yeah.
When we carry Killer go arrows, you go vice a dub for me. See, first time I carry Killer go arrows, you go vice on Black Cat dub. Killer go in the office, you don't know, it's a vice in room there. And Louis have a time to run the thing, I'm going to the wrong place.
Okay.
Never go in the arrows and in band.
Yeah.
And me carry me, go vice Black Cat dub. Okay. So the Bounty Hunter argument come up with me and the Rastaman from outer east.
Yeah.
One whole bad thing, man.
Wow.
One whole bad thing.
Did not know that because again, a lot of times when you hear about the Bounty, you hear about.
And then we used to walk through Callaloo Bend, no, through Pennell Road, go up Jammys, walk, me and him.
Yeah.
Walk through Pennell Road. Me if you know Kingston good. When I left Seaview, Pennell Road is a road there right in front Seaview Garden. When you cross the road.
Yeah.
One place near Moscow. You hear about them place there?
Yeah, of course.
We used to walk right there and go around at Jammys go vice tune.
Yeah.
Until Jammys hear the youth and say, that man a vice big.
Yeah.
I think I boomed down the mic carry him go up at Jammys the first time.
Okay. That was the first time he actually went to
that one of the youth them, and scare them.
Yeah.
Original
boom down the mic. Yes. Boom down the mic.
Him one of the youth make Killer, yeah? Him one of believe in a Killer.
Yeah.
I think him introduced him to Jammys. I don't know about that part there. Me was as a selector when I push the thing for the road. Yeah. And then they go make the link with Jammys. So me not talk to you if you take no glory say my boss Killer, you know.
Yeah.
But me do the journey with him, and I part me want that glory there. Me did it with him. I'm the journey with him.
Yeah.
From nothing to something.
Yeah.
And I respect him. Me don't want a man tell me say, me don't want a man go say me bust killer. Me no bust no killer.
Yeah. Okay.
But
you knew from the beginning.
I'm there with him on the journey. Me have proof for that.
Yeah.
All the money was them a killer face, then I don't prove. Then giant killer when killer boss already.
Yeah.
They don't know bounty hunter.
Yeah.
No Bass Odyssey, no 4x4, no Matterhorn.
Wow.
Each and make Matterhorn no killer.
Yeah. I remember there was a clash with you and Trooper. This was a Sound Trooper, and you played a bounty calling up his name, but Black Cat in a business, Trooper, you're dead.
Alright. Them tell him and Trooper kick off.
Yeah.
I mean know so them not get along.
Yeah.
So me go check killer. Killer don't like calling him in a song, he's not that kind of person.
Okay.
Hard forget him to do that. Yeah, hard. But true him don't like Trooper at the time, whatever the difference they have. He give me the song.
Yeah.
I'm using Ras Trooper a couple times well.
I remember those times, you know what I mean? That's crazy if you have anybody kind of on the drums.
Here we go on now too.
Yeah.
As me tell you, so, Matterhorn come for big killer selector, because that's the brand in the road. And we all know that. They have him as killer selector.
Okay.
Because they must check from the fully loaded tab. They must start check from Addis time to fully loaded. And that's how the big link make with Matterhorn. You know. Each time make a link. Matterhorn don't know nothing about bounty killer. Nothing don't know about bounty killer. You know the sufferation part. You don't know about the figure part of killer career. Me and Firelinks.
Yeah.
Firelinks I play Black Hawk, me I play Russell.
Yeah.
And we know the depths and the goal and everything. Yes, so I'm saying what the conversation is about, I'm not looking no I visit me boss killer, but no one knows that me did it on the journey, me contribute to killer career a lot.
Yeah.
Because I believe in him before him boss. Yeah. If you just start playing artistry in boss, you don't contribute nothing because the man boss already, you play because him boss.
Yeah.
And the man we have fighting him before nobody know him, and them man if you know say, well, believe in your thing. Me have fighting in song them before nobody knows someone DJ named Bounty Hunter.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so I said it go.
Crazy. Let me ask you, with you ever clash Silverhawk before? Or David Radigan?
Yeah, I'm beat Silverhawk to sickness, man. Yo, there's no stone to rise. I'm not killing on me, I rising them.
Yeah.
When me rising them, no stone to pass me.
Yeah.
Them all ban me with a sound. Me the only one at the time I'm the only selector can't play at all. They don't want me up there.
Yeah.
Then take me to sound system sources and say me not have manners.
Yeah.
Me too feisty, me don't want me up there. They fight me out, they make their sound system sources and I don't join with night. And so we can't. Me play back, me kill Silverhawk 2 Sunday straight back to back.
Okay.
They clash me out named Cowland Achilani. Me beat Jerry on the next one, me name Richie Boo.
Yeah.
I beat the sickness. And then me kill him and send him around Shabba. Them play with Billy Ocean for me.
Yeah.
I tell you, them have Billy Ocean and Jimmy Clish, man, talk about them have the real song, them, you know, no Splice, nothing.
Yeah.
Them one I saw have the real song, you know.
Yeah, no, for real.
Silver, Jimmy Cliff, real.
Yeah.
Billy Ocean, real. Kind of stealing the think, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
When you try to come here, I say, Shabba, I say, me not a Billy Ocean, Shabba, I use one Shabba, they see, no, wheel, panel, it's song. Mash up. Silver couldn't turn on back down, man. Gunshot like a rain.
Yeah. I don't remember. I don't
Steal the ball like water. Steal the ball like water and can't be no man killing so with Billy Ocean.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's no sound that survived me in my career. No. At them time, nobody will survive me.
That's crazy. Those times there, everything was you were the hottest thing those times. And somebody even asked about a Stone Love earlier. What happened with you and Stone Love?
Me and Stool have never played that dance before. We played on one dance.
Yeah.
It was a stage show. I was booked for the same stage show. I mean, just passed through with some Black Cat song. We never played our sensible dance. Black Cat and Stool have never played our dance.
Never played in a dance together.
No, we play for the dance and them depend on me for the dance.
Yeah.
Like a stage show. So I don't like a man book the deliberate Black Cat and Stool. No, that never go on professionally yet.
Yeah.
I mean, and we put alright. Me and we put good at everything, you know. But what really caused that? I took all me bus. My bus too cross.
Yeah.
My career was too cross for Stool of type of playing. So we both decided to them no want to play with me. They must say my career, they level me up and then Stool of no want to do that something there.
Yeah.
Cause even if they book me for juggling, they say my head no good, me can start war.
Yeah.
So they never want to play me at the time.
They're saying they'd love to see Panther versus Billy Slaughter.
Eh?
A lot of people are saying they would love to see a Panther versus Billy Slaughter.
Well, he don't go on, you know, but Billy Slaughter and my brother, he don't have that career there. He can't manage me in a clash, man. He don't have that career there. A Lampire, I'm looking at Lampire, we call him. He used to play on the thing, but he don't have that career there for manage me. He don't have that history there. Super D, the next one. Somebody post something about Super D. Well, nuts. I beat all them to sickness already. Beat into the internal blue.
It's just the way you talk is so funny. Beat them to sickness, boss.
Yo, when the man never come, I tell you one time. You see when Black Cat just come out, every son when I come from town, afraid to come now, you can play with. When they come, they carry police, they carry security, they carry. They must say, Lord God, Black Cat, when they want to chop you up in our country.
Yeah.
They're free, they can blood clot, they don't want to come down there.
Crazy.
Alright, remember one dance, you know? You remember Jamrock?
Of course, Dope Dap Tulips and even Richie Poo.
Alright, the Dope Dap Tulips, the first time Black Cat and Jamrock are going to play one dance. It wasn't a clash, you know? Just a dance, they book for. When we reach a dance, 1 o'clock, they can't find Dope Daps and Tulips. Then gone. Then use a Panther come and dance and gone.
Yeah.
I pay a backsman to play song, eh? The man afraid, coward of me.
Yeah.
Remember, you know? You remember when Susie Q the rise?
Yes, yes. Susie Q, she was sparring with the Bass Odyssey with Lenny.
Susie Q did there with Lenny, man. And
yeah.
But Susie Q the rise as one of the baddest female. I try clash at Jamaica. Yeah. I missed that part. I get some blood clot because one place named Porous. I tell them washing dirty drawers on them plates.
Yeah.
He never play back on next clash on the ball. And that time Ricky General and I start deal. Ricky General can walk and look for me, say more kill me. So what this is over.
Classic, you know what I mean? Okay, let me ask you about thing there. Let me ask you about right now. I see Specs the Boss is in. He's in the chat right now. All right. He's talking a lot of stuff. Specs the Boss from King Turbo. You remember any King Turbo and Black Cat clashes from back in the day? Yeah, King Turbo. Remember, look at nothing serious about them. Whenever we play a couple times at Canada. Yeah. But we don't know what about history with King Turbo like that. Yeah. I think we beat them already in Canada. You remember Specs? I think we beat them now and dance at Canada already, but we don't know what about history like that. Yeah. You remember any of your Canadian clashes when you came up and clashed some of the dances? Most of the Canadian clash them, you know, always like Jamaican sound, I clash up there, you know. Yeah. I clash most Toronto sound, you know. Okay. I clash most Toronto sound. Yeah. I just King Turbo for them time, I just say. I think we clash. We clash again after that. King Klepto? Most Toronto sound history. I clash most Toronto sound. King Klepto? We clash more New York sound more. Yeah. Like because the whole like New York world of them, like Jamie them and everybody. Yeah. Soul Supreme. Beat us solid dumpling out of the one that Specs is talking about here is he's saying it's one with Black Cat, Shasha Main, Desert Storm, and King Turbo Clash. Huh? The clash that Specs is talking about is with Black
Before I
Cat,
get lower.
Shashamane, Desert Storm, and Turbo. All right. Yeah, now we're good. As I said earlier, my phone was ringing, and after a ring, I couldn't hear you again. It's just I had to kind of act like I heard you.
Yeah, when them a ring, when you call them a ring, it cut the volume.
Yeah, you know what I mean? So, yeah,
But
it's
me tell
crazy.
you, me not too like social media thing, you know. You're lucky, you know. Come here to the city, you know.
You know what it is, Panther? You remember last time we linked when we were in Toronto? It was just, you see, when a vibe is a good vibe, you just said, okay, let's just do what we're doing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was a good vibe.
Mostly, you're quarantined, so it's a new site, you know.
Yeah, you know how it goes already. 'Cause I know usually you don't do a lot of interviews and you have a lot of stuff people want to hear from you about. You know what I mean?
Well, the moment I sit down for hear about my career, we have about 3 day live straight.
tell us, tell us some more stuff that we don't know. Give us a history that most people don't know. That's gonna shock us right here, right now. Exclusive.
Man, well, most of the things they ain't gonna know. Like what? Ask me, remind me, because I have something in my head. Me know.
Yeah. You guys put some questions and he's going to be answering the questions now. The last thing we're talking about was the clash with you, King Turbo, Shasha Marley, and one other song in Toronto.
The African, I'm kill African like Dranko.
Yeah. But Specs is saying that King Turbo beat Black Cat that night.
Honestly, I don't remember the last ago, you know.
Yeah.
Probably, but I kill the African up there already, though.
Yeah. Okay. And there's another one here where they're saying there was a clash with you. It was King Klepto versus Rootsman versus Black Cat at Zone 1.
Okay. I don't remember all them one, but honestly, I don't remember.
Yeah.
But I know say in the world clash I do over there, I kill 2 Toronto son. There's a Storm the night, and somebody else the night.
Yeah. Ask him about World Clash at Zone 1. You remember a World Clash at Zone 1? I don't remember a World Clash at Zone 1.
The one World Clash I do at Canada. I want to kill Mighty Crown.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that was big because if a lot of people don't even remember that night, Dino was actually playing.
Dino, me have a mix to make. I mean, alone for that clash.
Yeah, we just wanted to wrap it up because we didn't even get to finish off good. I just needed to make sure everybody was hearing me good and stuff like that. Somebody in here was also asking about a dance with Fire Links versus Black Cat.
Yeah, we play with him already. Him get the better night than me once and me kill him back.
Yeah.
Him beat me at Chilane. I'm playing wait a bit.
Yeah.
And the rematch keep back in Manchester, me kill him like a drunker.
Yeah. Yeah. Was that thing there? Were you in War 2000?
Yeah?
Were you in War 2000?
About what?
You were in War 2000. You remember that big clash they kept? I think it might have been Amazon.
War 2000, yeah. War 2000, yeah. Matterhorn win that clash.
Okay. You were in that one there.
But the rider keep. What a bounty would keep in there, rider, with the belt.
Yes.
Matterhorn won that clash.
Yeah. And was there any time that you actually clashed Matterhorn one-on-one, Black Cat versus King Addies?
Man. Kill Matterhorn like a dog, man. I kill Matterhorn for joke. Matterhorn never beat me. Must be one time Matterhorn beat me. Remember me kill Matterhorn, alright. Remember the first time me go solo, Matterhorn first me kill at Sound for Dead. Remember that? My first solo clash. My face blast key. In Bronx.
Yeah.
Beat Matterhorn the sickness. Not Black Cat, Pink Panther movement. First.
Okay. Yeah.
In the Bronx. Yeah. I go back and kill Matterhorn again with Addies and Black Cat.
Yeah.
So Matterhorn with me for a good while now.
Yeah, it's been a while.
I lead him about 5-0 now.
Yeah. If there's one clash that hasn't kept that you really wanted to clash somebody, who would it be?
If you want to clash somebody now?
No, if there was one clash that hasn't kept, like say you and Radagon one-on-one, what's one clash that hasn't kept that you really wanted to clash that song?
Will never keep it?
Yeah.
Honestly, you know.
Yeah.
During my career coming up, I want so I never clash it and I stole it. You know?
That's the only one you didn't really clash.
Yeah, me clash everybody else. Win or
Yeah.
lose.
Yeah. You and Redigan clash one-on-one?
Not one-on-one, but Redigan and me the same clash.
Yeah. That's the world clashes.
Yeah, me win one of him in already of England.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so we never face off like one-on-one, but he's in the same clash.
Yeah. Okay. Before I get you out of here, I just need to ask you if there's any new songs that you're looking at right now in the battlefield that you say, okay, this song is bad, or this selector or this MC is bad. Who you say, okay, you know what? You rate them right now.
New song.
Yeah.
Well, missing enough new selector do them thing, but me not put them in the war field. Them not, to me, them not reach a level like, you know, a long time I select on a bus, you know.
Yeah. True.
The only person come out after we get a break is like boom boom them.
Yeah.
And boom boom them not really go war.
Yeah.
Remember say boom boom used to play 4x4 and I kill him from 4x4 time, you know.
But you used to play 4x4? I didn't know that.
Boom boom is 4x4 original selector.
I did not know that.
Yeah man, a boom boom them does a beat man with pickaxe stick man, a boom boom them time that man.
Yeah.
Yeah man, also boom boom man. Boom boom them original 4x4.
Did not know. I remember Dust, Wicked, and all of those, man. Like,
I don't think you ever talked to me about.
Yeah.
So Boom Boom was original 4x. I don't know. Boom Boom was a new selector. I know. Boom Boom doing things, you know, a long time out there.
Okay.
Him just not go way back. Him not go way back as we, but him did it for a minute.
Yeah. Did not know that. You learn something new every day. One other name
no one of us selected them get that big. All right. From the 5 dinosaur bus.
Yeah.
Pink Panther, Matterhorn, Ricky Trooper, Firings, Squingy.
Yeah.
Nobody in the bus that level there again.
Yeah.
Couple selector come out and get them highlight in a few little juggling thing. Them not get that big ship there, big man ship like we. Yeah. Nobody not rise past the 5 there yet.
Okay. Because when it came to thing here,
one man nearly reached it. Winter Fresh never reach it and him drop back. I don't know, for some reason something happened. He was a warrior we could have reached a level as a dinosaur.
Yeah.
Even did some work. But for some reason him drop back. Something happened with his stone. Some fuckery go on with turbans for him.
Yeah.
He was one of them. This next youth know that rise from Brother Hype. And it's bad sound named Brother Hype.
Yes.
He will make an impact, but he never make enough to go up on the platform. He must have have an iPad as a bad selector too, as a warrior. He must one of them. They not reach a level. Let me tell you, you see $5 the people and pick out.
Yeah.
It's hard to go around, we're dead. Nobody rise past the 5 away yet.
Yeah.
If you keep a serious clash, you have to pick from the 5.
Yeah.
If you ever one away, if you clash not serious.
Yeah.
If you pick out the 5.
Why do you think it's like that? Why do you think there was nobody else that really picked it up and said, okay, I'm going to hold it up like that? What do you think happened?
Huh?
What do you think happened? Why there's no more dinosaurs after the original dinosaurs?
Creativity. Creativity. And next thing, them have a problem. Enough clash now keep.
Yeah.
Them probably have a talent, but them not going to showcase it the right way.
Yeah.
The edit clash and mash them up for be a dinosaur like we.
Yeah.
Them can't be themselves. So if you want to stay for man real talented, you can't put him in an edit class. Because if you know what I say, you know I get the real person. So you cut them back away too. That help fuck up the youth them we rise now.
Yeah.
We not say nobody can rise get by that way now. We're not God enough, but we not see it yet.
Yeah. There's one name that I see keep coming up here is Jakes from Soul Supreme. Jakes from Soul Supreme.
Who?
Jakes from Soul Supreme.
Him a one of them where they look promising, but in drop back too. In shake a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, get the platform where we get.
Yeah.
No mind no. But the dinosaur then when we have bus to get the platform, you know.
Yeah.
We body up wicked. We don't just body up one like 2 dance. You can't body up on 2 dance to get our level, you know.
Yeah.
You can't just body up 2 dance to get our level. You have to look at platform, a solid one.
Yeah.
And he never get to do that. He do a couple things where we alright with.
Yeah.
But in my recent level of the dinosaur platform.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
You know, say, I want to talk honest. We don't want to talk like the bias. We want to talk honest.
Yeah. Very good. Panther, listen, it's been an amazing conversation. If they want to check out anything Panther's doing, leave them some contact info, even though you're not really big on social media.
Get low in that area.
Okay. As I say, we're about to leave right now. Leave your contact.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.